swamp is on the Cudgegong River in the Wollemi National Park, the second largest park in New South Wales. It is part of the Greater Blue Mountains World Heritage listed landscape. Kayaks and stand-up paddle boats can be hired at Dun Swamp. No experience necessary. This was our first kayaking experience. Paddle along the river, we got to see beautiful woodlands, stunning sandstone and rock formations. Camping, bushwalking, fishing, picnicking and swimming also allowed in this site. After kayaking, we also went on a bushwalk to Pagoda Lookout. Pagoda Lookout walking track is 120-meter walk from camping area, but it is a steep climb. 360-degree view from the top is amazing and well worth the effort.